Did you know one simple storage mistake can make fresh aloe vera gel spoil days earlier? Here's how to keep it fresh longer. Fresh aloe vera gel is mostly water, making it highly perishable. Refrigeration slows bacterial growth and helps preserve its natural soothing properties. Wash the aloe leaf thoroughly, remove the outer green skin, and scoop out only the clear gel using clean utensils. Store the gel in a clean, airtight glass container. An airtight seal reduces exposure to air, moisture, and unwanted bacteria. Always use a clean spoon to remove gel. Avoid using your fingers because they introduce bacteria that shorten its shelf life. Homemade aloe vera gel typically stays fresh in the refrigerator for about 1 week when stored properly and handled hygienically. Need to keep it longer? Freeze the gel in an ice cube tray. Individual cubes are convenient and easy to thaw when needed. If the gel develops a sour smell, changes color, grows mold, or separates unusually, discard it immediately and make a fresh batch. Label the container with the preparation date, keep the lid tightly closed, and return it to the refrigerator immediately after each use. Now you know the best way to store aloe vera gel safely and keep it fresh longer. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with others.